Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Golden Jillian. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an eyeshadow tutorial using the Nomad Cosmetics Antilles palette. I did this tutorial using the blues in this palette. I actually wasn't going to film this video because I didn't think it was necessary. The video that was supposed to go up today was my review on the Looksy Summer Center eyeshadow collection. That'll be going up probably around Wednesday. However, this video was actually requested by one of my subscribers. This was requested by Sarah Kwak. I hope I'm saying her name right. But I will leave her channel listed in the description if you want to check her out. She also does beauty reviews, tutorials, etc. She asked me on my review of this palette to do a tutorial using the blues, and that is exactly what I did. The only highlight shade in here is this one, but this one's pink and I didn't want to use that one, so I went into this Wet n Wild quad. It's called Hasta la Costa Baby, and I used the Brow Bone highlight shade. But other than that, I used the 4 blues in this palette, and I actually really love this eyeshadow look. I was expecting it to look... I know this is very bright, but I was expecting it to look brighter. And I feel like these blues are super wearable, and I'm really happy with how the look turned out. So if you'd like to see a tutorial on this look, then just keep on watching. Alright, so first things first, I'm taking the Maybelline Insta Age Rewind Concealer. I'm going back to the dark circle eraser. I don't know why, just so I don't have 2 concealers open. I'm going to go into the Antilles palette, and I'm going to take the shade The Baths, and it's this beautiful periwinkle blue at the bottom here. It looks matte, but it has a lot of glitters in it. The only way you'd be able to see the glitter is if you're really close to my face. So I'm gonna take this and use this as my transition shade. I can't lie, it does really annoy me when brands put glitter in matte eyeshadows. I just don't really understand the point of that. I'm just going to really blend this until it almost looks like a gray rather than a blue. Then I'm going to take a little more and just, you know, build it up. What I love about these eyeshadows is that, yeah, they are super pigmented, but they are really blendable and they're also buildable. Next, I'm taking the shade Grace Bay. I'm just putting this on the outer corners and a little bit in the crease, not too much. I'm going to go back into that first color I used, The Baths, and I'm going to use this to blend this out. Now I'm going to take a little bit of concealer, the same concealer I used first, and I'm going to do a half cut crease. Alright, so now I'm going to take the shade Glistening Waters, this one right here. I'm going to apply that to the inner third of the lid. And now I'm going to take the shade right above that. This is called Blue Lagoon. I'm going to apply this to the center of my lid. I'm just going to take the brush that I used to apply that color in the other corner, and I'm not using any additional product. I'm just using this to blend the shimmer and the matte. I'm going to take this Wet n Wild quad called Hasta la Costa Baby. I'm going to take the shade Brow Bone. And this is a very sheer white, but I didn't want to use something too shimmery. This is going to be my inner corner highlight and my brow bone highlight. Next, I'm just going to apply some liquid eyeliner. Next, I'm applying black eyeliner to my waterline and tight line. I'm going to go back into Grace Bay, and I'm just going to apply this to my lower lash line. Now I'm just going to apply mascara. This is the finished eye look, you guys. Alright guys, so that was it for the tutorial. Like I said, am really in love with this eyeshadow palette. If you haven't seen my review, I will link it in the cards. It's a really good palette. Also, stay tuned for more eyeshadow reviews on my channel. I bought this so long ago, the Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade palette. I just got it on Friday. So a review on this and some tea on my experience with this brand will be up. I also finally bought the Soft Glam palette. I know this was in an anti-haul. I will explain why I bought it when I review it. And my boyfriend got me the Norvina palette. I also bought the ColourPop and Kathleen Light's Dream Street palette and the Zodiac palette. And like I said, I am putting up a review on the Looksy Shadows, the Summer Center collection. I also bought the Colored Rain Vivid Pigments. I also have these Morphe eyeshadows that I bought. These 12 right here are the Sydney Gray's No Joke bundle. Lots of eyeshadow to be reviewing. I'm going to be doing so many tutorials. I also bought these palettes, including the one that I used in this look, but I never posted a tutorial or review. I might actually post one with this one. I don't know about this one. I know I'm rambling at this point, but I'm just super excited for all the videos that I'm going to be filming and uploading. Thank you so much for your support. I know I don't have that many subscribers, but the subscribers that I do have, I do love. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!